The other problem I find is that people are always looking. They come to my films expecting the last film, or the film before the last, and they're coming waiting for something. And when it doesn't, like waiting for a fastball, and then somebody throws you a slow changeup, and they don't like it. They swing at the fastball and they think, shit, he threw me the wrong pitch. This is what happens, I think. And as I say, subsequently, somehow it settles down and a general kind of opinion arises, which has been very good. I've found that audiences actually are much more reliable initially than critics, because they don't bring all the baggage that the critic brings, and it's very hard to understand also where the audience gets the sense of the film, but they frequently do in the face of wrong reviews and even advertising, which doesn't seem to be aimed at the people that finally wind up being there. There seems to be some sense that they get, and they get it.